Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this perspective wavy text effect in Affinity by Canva. So, let's get started. First, let's create the background. Go to Pixel, then click Create New Fill Layer. For the fill layer, I'm going to use a combination of dark gray, light gray, and another dark gray to create a subtle background. I've included the swatch numbers for all the colors on screen, so you can easily copy the exact colors if you want to follow along. Once you've applied the colors, we can move on to creating the perspective lines. Now, let's add 4 lines to create the perspective effect. Select the line tool, and draw 4 lines across the background. Position them like this so they gradually create a perspective effect toward the center. Once you're happy with the placement, select all 4 lines. You can press Ctrl+G to group them, or right-click and select Group. Now, rename the group to Perspective Lines. You can also change the color and opacity of the lines to make the perspective look more realistic and blend better with the background. Next, let's add our text. For this example, I'm going to use Spot, which is my channel name. Of course, you can use any word or text you want. Type your text and capitalize each word. For the font, I'm using Anton. Now, let's transform the text into perspective. With the text selected, go to Vector and choose New Warp Group. From the Warp options, select Perspective. This makes it much easier to transform the text into the perspective we created earlier. Now, gently drag the warp anchors and adjust the text so it follows the perspective lines. Once you're happy with the perspective, right-click the text group and select Duplicate. Select the duplicated text once, then convert it to curves. This allows us to edit each letter individually. Now, inside the group, let's add some color. For this design, I'm going to use a light green color. Now comes the fun part. Select the individual letters that we converted to curves. Let's start with the first letter. With the letter selected, go to Vector New Warp Group, and then choose Mesh. The Mesh Warp gives us much more control over the shape of each letter. Now you can adjust the mesh points and curves to create the wavy effect. For each letter, use Ctrl+Alt+M to convert it to a mesh. Then adjust the curves and points to create your desired shape. Repeat the same process for each letter. Don't worry about making every letter exactly the same. In fact, slightly different waves and curves will make the final design look more dynamic and interesting. Keep adjusting the mesh until the letters flow naturally with the perspective background. And that's it. This is how you can create a perspective wavy text effect with a custom background in Affinity by Canva. You can experiment with different fonts, colors, perspective angles, and mesh shapes to create your own unique designs. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.